Right now at 6, Dolton's acting police chief just appeared before a federal judge to face bankruptcy, fraud, and perjury charges.
It's the latest chapter in what's become an ongoing saga involving the village of Dolton. Our Andrew Ramos was in court and joins us live with what happened. Andrew.
That's right, Joe and Erica. That arraignment wrapped up just moments ago where acting police chief of Dolton, Louis Lacey, pleaded not guilty to all the charges. Now, as part of pre-trial release conditions, a judge ordered him to turn in all his firearms as well as his FOID card. Now, in court, federal prosecutors laid out a 9-count indictment against the Dolton official, claiming he devised a scheme to defraud by way of filing for bankruptcy in an effort to hide assets and income to avoid paying over $40,000 in a lawsuit settlement that goes back nearly a decade. Now, prosecutors say as part of this scheme, Lacey repeatedly lied about monthly income, where he concealed multiple bank accounts that he controlled, also lying about being separated from his wife, saying that he lived alone, preventing creditors to go after her. Now, Lacey has been charged with 5 counts of bankruptcy fraud, 2 counts of making false statements in a bankruptcy case, and 2 counts of perjury. Now, the federal indictment happens in the shadow of ongoing turmoil in the village of Dolton, where Mayor Tiffany Henyard is currently under investigation for misuse of village funds. A recent report released by former Chicago mayor turned special investigator Lori Lightfoot showed that the village had a staggering $3.5 million in debt. The report also highlighted how some city employees racked up overtime, specifically Lacey, who received almost $216,000 in OT since 2022. Now, despite Dolton trustees saying that Lacey is currently on unpaid administrative leave, his attorney maintains that his client is still on the payroll and actively employed, also suggesting that this indictment is a witch hunt.
Suddenly now that Lightfoot came out with this report, Mr. McGrath is ordering people not to give Mr. Lacey his what is owed to him. It's completely illegal.
Now, if convicted, Lacey could face up to 5 years in federal prison for each count. He's back in court on October 1st. Reporting live outside Dirksen Federal Court, Andrew Ramos, CBS News, Chicago.
Thanks, Andrew.